kumshi binta ban penklani kam sinsha shnong ban pentikna ya ka Jingeh binta kinong shong shnong ha ki kam sinsha shnong bat ka sarkar mentirang ba ka jila la pelat Paidbah ya ka CM Connect Public Forum ne ka Rynsan Paidbah ha Adokgre ha North Karo Hills kane ka CM Connect Public Forum kadai ka jingstang ka bathamai ta ka sarkar ban penroi sha kinong shong shnong ha ki shnong ki thau ban Sngap ya ki jing sngew kya bat Jingeh jongki bat ban pinyo ya kila Jingeh rap bat ki jing shimrai kane ka program la penwan dor ya ka jing pinye so hapdeng ka sarkar bat ki nong shong shnong ta ka ba pentikina ba ki so deng ki Paidbah en la ban yo sngew kintup ru ya ki Jingeh jongki
that the CM Connect program is a program where the government intends to reach out to the people and ensure that we are able to actually connect with them. Many a times, as Chief Minister, as ministers, as MLAs and as officials, we are always in our offices, inside our rooms, making policies for the citizens of our state, making different programs for the people of our state, but not realizing that maybe what we are thinking is not what the public is thinking. Sometimes there is a disconnect between what the people want and what we think the people want. And therefore, this program has been initiated where the Chief Minister and public leaders and the officials will travel to different blocks, engage with the people, hear from the people, and based on that, we will make the decisions that will impact the people of our state. Also at the same time, at the grassroots level, there are small issues which do not require too much of hard work, which do not require too much of intervention, but is being delayed for simply the procedural aspect or a simple decision or attention to be given. And hence I strongly feel that these public hearings will allow us to resolve those situations.